So now let's make the birdie craft. And I also forgot, let's make 2 crafts today. But let's make this sticker craft and also this craft. So first we're doing the birdie craft. Let's pop this out. The birdie has blue color on her skin and also has these beautiful wings. So now let's pop this out. So here's our birdie that I just popped out. And here we got the birdie's feet. Look at the birdie's feet. And also we got another feet of the bird. Here's another feet. We got 2 feet. And also let's pop out the wings because we can't even forget to pop out the wings. Now let's pop out this. So here's our 2 little wings that we're going to put to this bird. So let's see the instructions that show. So it says pull out the attached chicken template. So which we already did, and it shows every details too. So and it says fold here, fold the main template along the dotted lines. So let's fold it. So now we're almost at the finishing of folding these all dotted lines. So here we folded all the dotted lines, and it says stick a glue on this rooster neck or necklace. It's not actually called necklace. So let's stick our glue and apply the glue. It says apply the glue on the flaps. That's why there are 2 flaps here. That's why let's apply on the 2 flaps. And to stick these together. Oh, I almost got all of it, but it doesn't stick mostly. It just pops open. But I'm gonna try. Time to glue these. So here's the result. I tried hard and this is what it comes. And I forgot, like, we have to stick these chicken wings on there. So I almost got all of it. So we stick the wings. So now it's time for folding these. It actually shows these dotted lines that you can fold. So here's the ending of my craft, and it actually turned out worst. If I followed the instructions, it turned even worse. But if I just did it on my own, it turned a bit okay. So, how is this? And I think it's better off without the feet. It looks so uncute without the feet. So here's my ending. So let me show you the whole bird. And here's the side of it. And I actually like the wings. And the reason I didn't stick this because I just stick these parts, but other parts are ruining. That's why I just thought it. So here it is, but it's kind of actually falling a bit. Can you see? It's not actually staying properly. That's why I just putting like this. But this one's not staying good. That's why I think let's move on to our next craft. I'm not craft, sticking craft. So let's move on to this nice craft. It shows to stick these birds, and the stickers are in the back side. So let's take one of the bird sticker and put it on the front. These birds are in sticker sheet, and then we're going to put this on the picture. It actually shows a bit white, so you can stick the bird on it. So here it is. I really like it. So we can also color these branches as black. But first I'm putting the bird stickers on as shown in the picture. So now let's do it. So here's the next birdie. It actually is kind of a bit hard. Oh no, this bird is not staying properly. So here's the next bird that's got folded. So now let's put the birdie on this one. So it's actually not sticking a bit. Now let's take this bird over here. So cute. I actually like this bird crab. It's pretty. Except that bird crab that we just made. It's actually a big fail. But we can't see the fail in the bird. Actually, the hen is taking a lot of time. And what is the sticker not coming out? So let's stick this another bird in here. Let's pick this out. So let's bring the black marker. So here's my black marker. So now let's color it. It's so beautiful with all those black birds. Bye bye everyone.